Hello besties, how are you guys all doing? Guys, no matter the size of closure that you want, you can use it to achieve something like this. Okay, you can use it to achieve this beauty. In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can make your crochet braided wig with closure, no matter the size of closure. I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. So guys, I've done the first, second and third lines. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to replicate this. I'm going to show you guys two ways you can do this. Either you use this first one or you use the second method I'm going to show you. So you see the space I'm giving between each braid is very small. If you want your closure braided wig to be very full, you don't need to give much space. So after you crochet little amount of your hair, then get another hair. Definitely this one that you're going to join it with has to be bigger than the one you crochet. You know the reason why? Because the one you crochet will serve as one, while the one you're going to add will serve as 2 and 3. So it needs to be bigger for it to balance. Okay, so keep when you crochet and you start braiding using this method or the second one I'm going to show you guys, you keep braiding. If you don't know how to add your extension, if there's need for that, maybe you want a longer length and you want to add the extension to extend the length, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can easily add the extensions in a way that the place you added it won't be visible. Watch closely guys. So when you add the extension, leave one part of it and then with braid you add it up. I don't know whether this explanation is clear, but if you watch this video you definitely understand what I did. So look at this, you see that the place I added the extension is not visible. It's very okay. And another secret is make sure the extension you're adding up is a little bit smaller than the one you already braiding with. Do you understand? If you don't understand what I mean, let me know in the comment section. So you keep braiding and the volume of hair you have to pick and the one you're going to crochet depends on you. As you can see, me, I am doing a tiny braid. Okay, so if you are doing a bigger braid, it means you have to add more volume. So you see the braids, see how the length is. Do you see the finishing guys? Just look at this finishing. That's what you get when you order braided wig from us. You know, you are free to order any sample of braided wig from me. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number in the comment section. Feel free to contact me for any kind of braided wig that you need, no matter whether it's closure, full lace, frontal, any type. Just hit hi and you take it from there. So this is the second method. When you crochet your hair, guys, pay attention. I'll allow you guys to just pay attention without saying anything. So guys, did you see the base? Did you see how neat this work is? So is either you use the first method or you use the second one. Each one will give you the same results. You don't need to use thread to hold. So what I'm saying is you don't need needle and thread for anything here to attach your braid. Simply follow this process and you will get the best results. Okay, I already showed you guys how to add the extension. Guys, this is the second part of this video. I uploaded the first part, that was 1 day ago. Check the last video. This is the continuation of the last video I uploaded. If you want to see how I was able to attach the closure, how I was able to draw my guideline, then watch part 1 of this video, because that's where I showed it guys how to do it. So this is the second part. Wait for the third part. I got you all. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. And I have to divide this video in parts because I want it to be very detailed. I don't want to like fasten the video that you will not get what I'm doing. That's why I decided to do it bit by bit, part by part. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next upload. Stay tuned to see how you will be able to do this, replicate this beauty no matter the size of closure. Thank you guys once again for watching and see you guys in my next upload. Please don't forget to always like, If you're yet to subscribe, please do comment. Thank you and share.